And we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you how to create the Orton effect. An effect used in photography where you use a blurry photo of the same topic and then you lay it on top. You can simulate that in Gimp. Let me copy this original 2 times. I use one as a backup. Let me go to the top one and I change its blending mode to screen. It's going to lighten up your results, so don't worry if it looks a little bit unnatural. We'll merge it. So the original was merged with this copy or blending mode screen. Then copy this. And we want to apply a blur to the copy. Go to filters, blur, Gaussian blur. Check the preview and you can see what's happening. Don't go too high. I think that 6 or 7 is good for my photo here. You'll have to adjust it depending on the photo that you've got, but as I've said, don't go too high. Just confirm we are okay. And then change the blending mode right here to multiply. And now it already looks like we're going somewhere. You can still adjust hue and saturation under color. So in my case, I want to go down a little bit with the hue and the lightness and increase the saturation slightly. But this is just an additional adjustment. It's important that you have these blending modes and added the Gaussian blur to create this Michael Orton effect in Gimp. So here was our original, and this is the end result. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.